Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your downloaded files in Telegram, and what to do if you can't seem to locate them inside the Telegram folder. If you've ever saved a photo, video, or document through Telegram and spent way too long searching for it on your computer, this tutorial is here to save you time and frustration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where Telegram puts your downloads by default, plus how to take control and set your own custom download path. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how things work on the desktop version of Telegram, whether you're using Windows, Mac, or even Linux. The desktop app actually gives you a bit more flexibility compared to the mobile version. But out of the box, Telegram chooses the location for you and it's not always obvious. So where do your files end up? By default, Telegram downloads are saved inside a folder called Telegram Desktop, which lives within your system's main downloads folder. For example, on Windows, this would typically be C/users/your name/downloads/Telegram Desktop. On a Mac, it'll be in your Downloads folder as well, under the same Telegram Desktop subfolder name. It's worth actually opening your Downloads folder and scanning for that exact folder name, rather than just looking in Telegram settings. A quick search for Telegram Desktop can also help you locate it. Sometimes files appear missing simply because we forget Telegram puts them in this subfolder. So, whenever you're downloading something, especially a large video or an important document, check there first. Now, if you'd rather choose exactly where Telegram puts your files, maybe you want them to save directly to your desktop for quick access, or you're working off an external hard drive, here, how you can do that. I always recommend customizing your download path if you download a lot of files. It speeds things up and keeps your workspace tidy. Start by opening your Telegram desktop app and look to the very top left corner for the three-line menu icon. Go ahead and click that. A menu will pop out from there. Click on Settings, then scroll down and choose Advanced. You'll now see an option called Download Path. By default, it'll show Telegram Desktop and Downloads, but you'll notice you can switch this to a custom folder. Click Custom Folder, then hit Choose Folder to browse your computer. You might pick your regular desktop, a folder inside Documents, or even an external USB stick. Once chosen, make sure to hit Save so Telegram knows where to put your future downloads. For even more control, Telegram lets you enable Ask Download Path for each file. Turn this on, and every time you save something, whether it's a photo from a friend or an important zip file from a group chat, Telegram will ask where you want it to go before saving. I use this myself when organizing work files, and it definitely helps keep things neat. Don't worry if these steps seem new. You can always switch your download path at any time in these settings, and nothing you do here can break Telegram or lose your files. If you can't find a file, try checking both the download folder and your custom location just to be sure. And of course, searching your computer for the file name or Telegram desktop can quickly turn up files you thought were missing. I hope this helped you track down your downloaded Telegram files and set things up just the way you like. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you're still having trouble finding a download, I'm always happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.